Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker, RJO Futures, here in Chicago, the 20th of December. Morning comments on stock index futures, and I always give you the word of the day. I'm going to change it around a touch because I want to give you a couple thoughts. We're kind of at year end. We're right before Christmas. There's always a little window dressing. Keep that in mind for year end. Okay, that's where the holiday comes in. We're talking about that cliff. We're talking about Washington, D.C. trying to beat the deadline, December 31st. If they cut a deal, no matter what the deal is, it's better than no deal at all, and the stock market will probably rally. If they don't cut a deal, the closer we get to the very end of the year, we could have a minor sell-off, which would be currents fighting each other, meaning window dressing to make sure that year end is probably documented and hey, we participated and we're, remember the stock market's up over 10%, 12%. We're in a short-term uptrend on a technical point of view. So that's what we want to talk about. Those are your major concepts. The minor concepts, reports this week, we have a slew of them. GDP, just to give you, it's an estimate, wasn't the final, but just to give you, it was 3.1. We were looking for 2.7, slightly better in the game. Initial claims, we got 361. We were looking for 345. That's a disappointment. One washes out the other. Existing home sales, Philadelphia Fed, leading indicators. We got a lot of reports. That's the minor tone because all that won't matter. That's a 1 month deal. The debate in Washington is a year long, a 2 year long. Will taxes go up? Corporate, individual, rich man, poor man, it doesn't matter. So that's why I'm saying that's the more major situation. We've been rallying quite a bit. We're on a technical point of view, we're in a short-term uptrend in my opinion. We'll look at the S&P. We're looking at March now. You should have already rolled into the March future contract. We're in an uptrend. 1421, 1420, 1418, write those numbers down or that area would be a trend changer going up. We're at 1431, around that right now today. We're looking for 1445, then 1461 on the way down. Obviously, if we can close under 1420, 1418, like I just mentioned, then probably 1404 to the 1400 level would be your next support level. Play that area, play the major rhythm. Conservative would be with the trend, and counter trends is a more aggressive posture if you're looking for a top or a disappointment in the next week and a half. Want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year coming. But before I leave you, remember always trading futures, option to futures involves risk of loss, not suitable for everyone. Good luck, good trading.